Hello my friends, thank you for coming back, and this video is to help you find your affiliate or the link that you're going to share with the people so they can come into OfferLab. Depending on when you're seeing this, may still be closer to the launch, so you may see this little window here on the top, or if not, there's a different place. So let's go step by step. If you see this right here on the top, all you have to do is that you copy this, and now you can go and paste it somewhere so they can come, and it will have, you see this OLF and have a big number under here. So if I open a brand new browser, let me open here. If I open a different browser, I can paste that link, and that will take me to the OfferLab launch video, but have your affiliate link. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is that if you look right here on the bottom left, you see something that says refer a friend. If you click in there, you can create a link that allow you to do the same JV launch, but also general referrals. And if you have seen some of the other videos, one of the cool things about this option in here is that when you bring them right away and you have the auto approved to collab, number one, they can right away start promoting your offers, but it triggers a backend process. So if you connect through webhook or through Zapier, you can get notified of that, and you can put them into an email sequence to follow up with them. We guide them how to do it and all that kind of stuff. So again, all you have to do in here is just copy this link, and then we come into, I'm gonna open a different browser, and now you see it bring me to a customized invitation from me, and they can just put name and email, and as soon as they start, they can go in. My friends, you have it, how to get your affiliate links or invite links for OfferLab. We'll see you in our next video.